Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Right now I am in our closet. Sorry it's a bit messy because we got a lot of things right over here and I am packing for our trip to Idaho tomorrow. So this is a surprise trip for my mom-in-law because on June 1st, it's going to be her birthday, and we're going to surprise her. My husband is going to have a surprise homecoming. So for now, I'm gonna pack our things, and this trip is a bit different from the previous ones because today I'm gonna pack it in a check-in or not. No, not a check-in luggage, but hand carry bags. So I have a hand carry bag right here or a luggage and then another one right over here. So one for me and one for my husband. Let's start. I got his underwear right here. Then his shorts. So it's a bit different for me, or what I mean is it's a bit hard packing packing all our clothes this time because I need to really I have to put all the clothes in just a small bag. It needs to fit in. It needs to fit inside. And then I got his jeans right here. This is what he's gonna wear for when we go fishing. So, oh my gosh, he doesn't have a space for his shirts. So, we got his shirts right here. We are gonna stay there for a week. His mom doesn't know yet. I'm excited. It's already 12 p.m. or a.m. I mean 12 midnight and I'm still packing our bags because I have to do the laundry and I was busy because I need to clean the house first before we leave because I don't want to leave the house dirty or messy, and then when we come back I want to come back in a house that is clean. So there. The good thing with his shirts is we don't need to iron it because it's what do you call that one, 100% cotton, or I don't know, it's silky, so even if you fold it it won't leave a mark, but I still have to fold it nicely though. So this is my husband's bag. Oh my gosh, it fit. Okay, so all his clothes fit inside, and I guess that's it. You'll know that the bag isn't that full when it's still easy to close the bag. So I close it. Whew. Put it there. So next I'm gonna pack my things. So I folded everything. Please don't fall. I fold it smaller than how I fold it, so I can fit everything inside my bag. So this is my bag. The good thing with this bag is that there's a pocket right here for the power bank, and it has a wire for you to connect it, and then it connected to here, so you can open this thing and there it is. You can connect your charger in here. So I didn't take off the bubble wrap in here in the handles. So let's start packing. We've got a lot of compartments. This one over here is my bag for all the stuff that I need for personal hygiene and stuff. I have here my cleanser. I put it in a smaller bottle because we can't bring a big bottle for our hand carry luggages. So my cleanser is above 100 ml, so I need to put in a smaller bottle, so I put it in here. And then I also put in a smaller bottle my moisturizer, and then my perfume, so I put it in a smaller bottle, and then bring my own conditioner, and then lotion, and then shampoo. So I got 2 bottles of the conditioner and 2 bottles of the lotion, and then I got vapor rub in here because in case my husband don't feel well or me, I have that. And then I have my underarm cream, and I brought Salon Pass. It is already open, but it still has some patches on it. So because sometimes my husband, we don't know, but just in case, we have to be ready all the time. I will also bring band-aids. So got that one, and I don't know why I have piles of files in here, but I have files. And I also have soap. See that? And I have cotton bandages and my toothbrush. I'm not showing it. So that's it. I'm gonna put this in the bag. Oh my goodness. Next to my underwear and my jacket. I also brought a jacket with me. That's it, guys. I'm gonna upload this right now. I'm gonna upload this video after we surprise his mom, because I don't know if she's watching my videos, but she knows I have a YouTube channel and she has a link on it. But I guess she's watching some of my videos. She watched some of my videos, so just to be sure, I'm not gonna upload this right now. I'm gonna upload this after we surprise her. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.